This is process flow diagram creating and managing data on a blockchain with IS. Okay, this diagram, this is application for real use. Hi, I am Carlos Montano. I am blockchain engineer, and in this video I will show you a real use case of blockchain for data protection. Let's go through each step of the process using this user interface. Okay, the first step is create company. In this step, the user enters a company ID in the company ID field and presses the company create button. The Flash server receives the request and contacts the Web3 provider to request and gas estimate for the transaction. The Web3 provider queries the Avalanche blockchain for a gas estimate and returns into the blockchain servers. With the gas estimate received, the Flash server builds the necessary transaction with the information provided by the user and digitally signed. The signing transaction is sent from the Flash server to the Web3 provider who transmits into the Avalanche blockchain for processing. The Avalanche blockchain process the transaction and returns are received to the Web3 provider who sends it to the Flash server. Okay, my company ID in Intel 0, for example, Intel 02. Okay, press create company. Finally, the Flash server returns the transaction hash to the user, indicating the company has been successfully created. This is my hash transaction. This is button and watch my transaction in the blockchain. Okay, this is the all exactly input data. This is my data encrypted. Okay, two step is add data. Okay, for example, in this case the user enters the company ID in the company ID field, the data ID in the data ID file field, and the data content in JSON format in the data content JSON field. Additional detail can also be added in the detail field. By pressing add data button, the Flash server receives the request and the encrypted data using the AES algorithm. The Flash server builds a new transaction that includes the encrypted data and digitally signs. The signed transaction is sent to the Web3 provider who transmits into the Avalanche blockchain for incorporation. The Avalanche blockchain processes this transaction and returns are received to the Web3 provider who sends it to the Flash server. Okay, this is my company ID is Intel02 and my data ID is 1234567. Copy this. One moment. Okay. Okay. Yes. Change testing. Data ID is 1234567. Data. Okay. Carlos. Okay. The Flash server returns the transaction hash to the user in the case that the data has been successful add. This is optional. Okay. Press add data. Okay, this is my hash transaction, and this is my button for review my transaction in the blockchain avalanche. This is exactly, this is my data encrypted. For the final step is get data. In this step, the user enters the company ID in the company ID field, and the data ID in the data ID field, press the get data button. The Flash server receives the request and queries the smart contract on the Avalanche blockchain to obtain the stored data. The smart contract returns the encrypted data which is sent to the Flash server. Yes? The Flash server decrypted the data using the IS algorithm. Finally, the Flash server returned the decrypted data to the user, thus completing the data management cycle on the blockchain. For example, this company ID done 6. In this case, return error. Exactly. This is correct ID. This is my before data. My current data for company ID is this. Okay, copy and paste. And my data ID is 7. Okay, the information is equal here. Okay, is get data. Exactly, this is my same data. Add. This is all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Bye.